Hey there, welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you that how to adjust volume of music on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. Okay, we are going to know that how to adjust volume of music on TikTok. First of all, have to click on the TikTok app. Now click on this plus mark which is present beside the inbox. Switch to the video mode. Start to make the video which you want. Click on this. Click on the pause and click on the red check mark here. You can see here option of add music. Click on this and add any of the music which you want or search it. Here you can see option of volume. You can adjust volume of music. You have to turn off original volume and edit sound. You have to change that capacity of sound. Click on done. Click on the next and your video will be uploaded. Thank you so much. That was all. That how you adjust volume of music on TikTok. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.